Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. So Waze Local lets businesses reach drivers who are already on the road. Ads show up as promoted chat pins on the map, take over screens when drivers stop, and search results. The program is available in multiple regions including the US, Canada, Brazil, Mexico, Colombia, Malaysia, Australia, and even Israel. Whatsoever. So as for now, you should go ahead and understand the ad formats. Branded pins. Your business icon appears along the driver's route. Most noticeable and effective. We also take the takeover ads. Full screen ads appear when a driver stops for at least 3 seconds. There is also this promotion search ads. Show up when users search for gas station, restaurants, or other businesses. Businesses are charged based on cost per thousand impression or CPM. You can also use the Performance Max ads platform. Waze ads are now sold through Google's Performance Max ads platform. Create a Performance Max campaign through your Google Ads account, set your budget and target audience, select Waze ad placements like promotion pins and takeover ads, then you can easily launch the campaign ads that will appear to drivers in your target area. Which business can benefit? That's also a good question. So local businesses that serve drivers, restaurants, gas stations, retail stores, car services, entertainment venues are the best fit. The ads are designed to draw customers to your doorstep by reaching them while they are already driving. So that's a good thing. You can also take a look at partnerships, you will learn a lot from them. And as your idea, thank you all for watching and I'll see you all in the next video.